Right.
We did get that response. Murfreesboro, you had this thunderstorm that's entering the area, likely going to bring you some hail, as it's very heavy rain, if not hail, being indicated on radar between Waynesville and Murfreesboro. Right now, State Route 73 is where the most intense part of that storm is, in between those two towns. I'm going to go ahead and throw this back on for us.
Excuse me.
On the third floor somewhere. I think she's out of it. She said, I'm on the third floor.
All right.
What's the eighth room? Third floor, eighth room. Where we're going.
Right.
But again, all these other communities not big community centers.
Hey guys, all good.
I did that a couple weeks ago. Radar. I'm going to go ahead and do some all clears here. Moraine, West Carrollton, Miamisburg, downtown Dayton, all the way down into Centerville, Belleville, in
Man.
clear. You do have
I
some
think it's
heavy
out
rain
bad.
still working
Looking.
through, but the most intense thunderstorm is just to the north and northeast. Beaver Creek, you still need to be hunkered in place. North of you, you might actually have some sunshine right now, but north of you, very heavy rain and hail falling to the north up toward Fairborn. But this appendage here that's off the southwest side of the storm, this is still the concern of where we may have a storm trying to wrap back up and become tornadic. But for now,
It's cold.
yes, that's a good precaution
What?
to take. in Beaver
Ow, Matt. You bit me.
Away. You will see some heavy rain to follow, but this is where we're